we got visa.
This is the no.
Piecpadsmit gados es biju apceļojis Indijas lielāko daļu, un es visu laiku skatījos uz to balto plankumu manā kartē, kas šajā gadījumā filmā ir zils, kas ir Indijas ziemeļaustrumi. Tā saucamās 7 māsas un brālis Sikimas štats. Kādu dienu es ieraudzīju sludinājumu, kā aprīlī Manipūras štatā notiks baikeru festivāls, un tas bija klikšķis, ka jādodās ceļojumā. Tā, Katmandu.
Mamma mia! Off-road again! Google led me here.
Indijā Google kartēs ir aktīva arī motopoga, tāpēc, ja to izvēlās, Google kartes bieži ieved tādos alternatīvos ceļos.
That Google is absolutely crazy. It led me back to the highway normal.
Today is better than yesterday. And tomorrow will be better.
That guy made all this mess.
Many days like this are ahead. Ask the endless step.
Es domāju, ka tie ir kapiņi, bet izrādās tā ir Čats Sirta.
The road doesn't tolerate delays.
Tas parasti būvē pirms Čatpuģa festivālā kā ģimenes altārus, kuriem nav nekāda sakara ar kapiņiem. Šeit viņi svin Čatjamalvas un Surjadeva festivālu, kas ir saules dievie. Šajās būvēs viņi glabājo graudus.
Good morning, India. This morning start with Communist nightmare.
No time to slow down. Keep it moving, no sound. On the dirt, oh, the heat is unbearable. But
okay, Google Maps thinks I can go here.
My heart still beats. The road doesn't tolerate delays. So we press on. Today is better than yesterday, and tomorrow will be better than today. And how many days like this are ahead? That's the endless step. The road is infinite. The road is infinite. The road is infinite.
Diemžēl nedrīkst braukt lejā par šo smilšu sēri pie Gangas. To daļu ir okupējuši šādi visādi turisma izklaides darboņi. Sveiciens, dārgā Matīs draudze. Man te neliels pikniks, kafija sagribējās. Šoreiz es izdomāju tā, ka es negribu tajā burzmā vairs nirt. Es varu nasī biju tajā gadā pirms Covida tieši.
Is infinite. The road is infinite. The road is infinite. The road is infinite. Today is better than yesterday, and tomorrow will be better than today. And how many days like this are ahead? Ask the endless step. The heat is unbearable. We've seen worse. The road doesn't tolerate delays.
Šajā ceļojumā priekš sevis es atklāju arī Čatisgāras štatu. Un tagad ir atlicis tikai viens vienīgs indiešu štats, kurā es vēl neesmu bijis, ar motociklu, protams.
is better than yesterday, and tomorrow will be better than today. And how many days like this are ahead? Ask the endless step. The heat is unbearable. We've seen.
Good morning. No one in reception, but I must pay for things I took yesterday.
Path road, hot wind, our faces are in dust. Hey, have fun, somewhere nearby is the edge of a distant.
I don't know what's happened. I didn't crash bike. Maybe just from vibration.
The horse goes unyielding, the whip clicks. The driver sings like on the holiday bells, but tiredness has a throat. Oh, dear gray road, and the steps have eyes. I hear the groans of the dancers and the fainting cry of the singers. Feathers people, look over here. My love, it's been 300 years.
I couldn't make anything better. So this will hold well. And here I use duct tape.
Road and the steps have eyes. I hear the groans of the dancers and the fainting cry of the singers. Oh, dear gray road, and the steps have eyes. I hear the groans of the dancers and the fainting cry of the singers. Hey, hot wind. Hey, hot wind. Hey.
Trīs Indijas štati, tā ir Telangāna, Andhrapradesh un Tamilnādu, ir pilnīgi aptaurēti. Viņiem ir kaut kāds nenormāls skulptūru kults. Pat kaut kādā vismazākajā ciematiņā noteikti būs kaut kāda statuja. Un lielākās pilsētās tās ir desmitiem.
Hot wind. Hey, hot
Kad es filmēju kārtējo zelta iztukānu, man garām pabrauc velospēdis, kas apceļo visu Indiju.
A track road, hot wind, our faces in dust. Hey, have fun, somewhere near is the edge of a distant land. sand in your teeth. Hey, hey, we must move on.